position. Yeah. Some integrity, whatever. Some finances, whatever. Me done too. So them lead one set of people go down a Ministry of Finance yesterday. We got demonstrate. Because Dennis Strong get the position and then they give him 72 hours say him not to take the post. So Dennis Strong go take up him post yesterday with full security. So the media go downtown yesterday, go interview the people them fi ask them say, me see you no have placard right up. Say Dennis Strong no get the position because him not qualify. What no placard mean? The people them say, but we don't know. we don't know. We don't know what the placard I say. So she go and she interview somebody again say, your placard say Dennis Strong not qualified. The man say, yes, him not qualified. She say, what you mean him not qualified? Him say, me don't know what me mean say him not qualified. But him just not qualified and not supposed to be in the post. And this is what politics is. Keep them poor, keep them unlearned. So we give them one placard, have them walking up and down, looking like them not have any sense, and we carry them out for demonstrate and vote. I tell you, I supervise 2 polling stations. The election before this one. And the people them cannot read. 80% of the electorate cannot read. So them don't know what them a demonstrate about. Them don't know what them a vote about. Them just know say somebody drive up at their yard and give them one orange color shirt and say, meet with on a hero circle and you have to go. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Jamaican politics. No wonder so many guns come in the country last week. Because just arm up everybody and let us win.